Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is September 20. At 7 AM we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and at 6 PM we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impacting news, and at 10:30 PM we have medium impacting news plan for euro related currency pairs. We don't have any high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs or British pound related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. As usual, we already know that the current price action is still in a very strong bearish trend. It has also broken the previous support level of 1680. We can see that yesterday candle has closed in a doji pattern, which means there is an indecision in the market, and yesterday's candle has not broken the previous low of 1654. So the current price action is still trading within the resistance level of 1682, support level of 1654. So if you are a long-term investor, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 1680 in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break the support level of 1654 in order to take trades on the bearish side trend. The reason why the price action has taken support at this level and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement is because of this red color support line or the trend line, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement after testing this support line. Currently also we have noticed a price action to take support. So as long as the price action doesn't break this support line, we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish side retracement. But for now, bullish trend has not started. Wait for the price action to break these resistance levels, then we can expect the bullish side retracement to start. So these are all going to be the resistance levels and the support levels for daily time frame for now. And as long as the price action is trading between this resistance level and the support level, we can expect a sideways price action to continue in daily time frame also, based on which you can take multiple trades in the lower time frames. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing multiple resistance line from the level where the price action trended on the bearish side trend reversal. Currently the price action is trying to break this blue color resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement in the past, and the price action has to break this resistance line in order to trend on the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1686 from the daily time frame, which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. Again we have one more resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. So we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side, which the price action has to break in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. And on the bearish side also, first the price action has to break this higher time frame support level of 1654. Then we have the trend line from the daily time frame, which it has to break in order to continue trading on the bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I'm again drawing a support line or a trend line for hourly time frame. So when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is consolidating within this higher time frame resistance level of 1682 and trend line or support line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout from this consolidation in order to take the directional trade in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, we can clearly notice that the price action is consolidating within the higher time frame resistance level of 1680 and taking support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. Previously the price action went on a bullish side retracement, and currently we are noticing the price action to breach this trend line or the support line. Wait for the price action to form a clear red color candle below this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. And when the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be 1654 from the daily time frame. And as long as the price action is trading between this support line and the resistance line, we can again expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line from the higher time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation, and if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to retrace up to the support level of 1654 from the daily time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, previously it went on a bullish side and found resistance at the higher time frame resistance level of 1680. Again it tried to break this resistance levels. It couldn't manage to break this and it bounced back on the bearish side retracement. And again current price action also trying to retrace back to the previous high and to break this higher time frame resistance level of 1680. And again if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame also. So as long as the price action is trading within this higher time frame support level and resistance levels, we can expect multiple trends in the lower time frames. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.